I would like to discuss the detail in the breath box and how I use it to prevent my goggles from fogging. And it doesn't matter how good your breath box is or how good your goggles are. If your body temperature is too hot, your goggles are going to fog regardless. It doesn't matter how good they are or how good the breath box is. And so it's very important to make sure you're layered properly and that you remove layers as needed to control your body temperature. I also use a neck tube. It's a very thin, lightweight fabric that I can wear over my neck. I can pull it up over the top of my head, and it really doesn't affect the size, my helmet sizing, because it is in fact so thin. When you get to the mountains where you're going to be working harder, it's very important to remove the neck tube, or the balaclava if you prefer to wear that, from between your head and your helmet. Pull it down around your neck, and or completely remove it, because this is what directs your moisture from perspiration up to your head and creates potential for goggle lens fogging. And so at this point I'll talk more about the insertion of the breath box in the helmet. This particular breath box is an aftermarket piece that I've obtained, and I'll show you what I do to install it in my XPX helmet. The chin curtain is designed and placed here to prevent snow and wind from coming in, but it's very restrictive, I find, for breathing, and so I prefer to get it out of there, and it just snaps out. And with the chin curtain out of the way, then I can insert and mount the breath box. But before I do that, I need to put these tabs in place, these Velcro tabs that hold the breath box in place. And so the other thing I've done is the breath box comes with a lightweight metal nose piece, goes around your nose, and I've pulled that out of the fabric, and so the fabric is really pliable, and it'll form to my nose, because the goggles, when I insert my goggles, will press the top of the breath box into place. Now we'll go ahead and remove the cheek pads, not completely, but just pull the tabs and two of the snaps. And then we'll insert this Velcro piece, which has got holes designed to fit where the snaps are. Now that the Velcro tabs are in place, I can go ahead and insert the breath box with the nose part facing up. And I just tuck that in place and bring it in contact with the Velcro tabs. That kind of holds it solid. And you can pull this up higher or down lower depending on how it fits. I'm going to move that down just a tiny bit, like that. And then there's also two additional Velcro tabs, and you just take these and push them down to the inside of the cheek pad, and they'll stick nicely to that cheek pad, just like that.